Hello everybody, it's Dr. Unicorn Magic. I just said this again. I hope you guys had a wonderful week. Well, it's already started. But, of course, I'm not be filming during school hours anymore. I did not tell you guys, I'm sorry. I did not post on, Sunday. Because I was really upset and I couldn't. I'll be filming more. This Friday, I'm not filming a video. I'm not filming during school hours. If I have time to film, I will film. Or I'll make a little short. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for being part of the Unicorn fandom. Guys, I'm not making you guys, you don't have to, if you don't want to, you can if you want to. Hit that, I'll take that at the end of the video. Today's video is called camping. Because I'm going camping for Labor Day weekend. And that's what I'm going to talk about. It's a great camping video. It's a great day it's a grand day to go camping. Yeah, I like that. So camping is pretty much like, if you guys know camping, it's really fun. It's exciting. It's pretty much great. And so it's pretty much camping. I don't know. But guys, I am really excited to go camping. I will not be filming those 5 days I'll be gone. I'll see you guys maybe Tuesday, the first day of school. Guys, down in the comments, what's your first day of school? You don't have to be on to. As I might do a live stream soon, very soon, a live stream about gaming stuff. So we're gonna play Minecraft. We're gonna start a new world. Yeah, we're gonna do a gaming live stream. It'll be called First Gaming Video for my channel. But down in the comments if you want me to play something else. Do you want me to do a normal live vlog? I don't know. But I'll see you guys maybe on Tuesday. Maybe on Friday. I don't know. But I see you guys then. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week. And have a fun first day of school. Bye. Stay unicornly. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell button. You never miss another magical video. Bye.